Now, if you've been following my channel for a while, you'll know I speak highly of this company, and for good reason. Today, we are talking about Grams 28 yet again, because they have always seen my vision, seen my goal, and been above and beyond when it comes to sending out their products for me to check over. We first started our collaboration journey using this bag. This is the 172 Camera Sling by Grams 28. There is a video on my YouTube for this, but then I wanted something a bit more less bulky, a bit more casual on the go if I'm just popping in and out with family and I don't want to take a massive camera bag that comes with all the incisions and things like that. So they were happy to send out this little baby. This is the 157 Essential Sling, and this one's super lightweight, super compact, but yet can still hold a good amount in there. Even a A7C2 without the lens on. That's crazy, but yet it's so compact. So this is great for just popping out, or you know, if you're going for like a nice dinner and you just want to have your wallet, your phone, your keys, everything sort of put into a little bag. This is perfect for that. Now this month, for some reason, every company has offered me the opportunity of a lifetime to go to their product launches, go to their displays, or go to their headquarters, whatever it is. I'm heading towards them, and you know, I'm having to go out of my hometown and go into London, which is a big city. I walk around for the day, I take a couple of photos, and then at night time or in the evening when the event is, I head over to there and get on with doing that. But during the day, obviously I want to take some snacks, or I want to take some drink, or I want to go around and buy stuff, but I don't want to have to carry around this, which has my camera in, because then there's no space for anything else apart from my camera. But then say if I've got other things in my hand that I've got and bought, or if, you know, I need a new t-shirt because it's boiling hot and I've sweated through one. I'm going to an event that's like quite, you know, high up there. I don't want to be going in wearing a sweaty t-shirt and stinking, so I can easily go and buy a new t-shirt and throw this old one into a bag. But with something like this, I wouldn't have the space. Same with the little essential bag. There's not enough space in there to hold everything when I go on these big journeys. So me being me, I reached out to the company again, said, hey, I've got these events coming up. I need something that's a bit bigger. What can we do? And that's when they sent out this baby. This is the 151 Stealth Bag. It is beautiful. This is the thing of elegance, grace, and just sophistication, if I can ever tell you. Oh my god. Let's get into this bag, right? So if you've ever seen a YouTuber by the name of Chevon Salmon, he is another tech YouTuber in Toronto, I believe it is, and he has amazing content. He actually was rocking one of these bags when he had a podcast with, I can't remember the YouTuber, but he was saying about all of his gear. And I saw this backpack and I thought, you know what? This is what I need. For when I do my long adventures, or go to London, or go in these, like, business trips, if you will. This is what I need. Something that I can walk into the room and people go, ooh, that's a classy looking backpack. Now, I will give you, this costs £799. Yes, you are probably thinking, what? For a backpack? That's insane. But that's not everything about this backpack. This is made from proper Italian leather, very durable, waterproof, and just, you know, if you get any scuffs or any marks, you can just wipe it and it'll look brand new. This thing is made to last. Now, the straps, padded, very durable. They give a nice, elegant, sort of sleek look to your wardrobe. I'm in some just like standard clothing, you know, plain t-shirt and some like God knows what trousers, and yet it's still, it goes. You know what I mean? You can walk around with Grams 28 and it just goes, whatever you're wearing. If I'm turning up to an event, I'm wearing some jeans, a nice t-shirt, a bit of like an overthrow jacket, if you will, whack this baby on, I am sorted. But what does it offer, obviously, compared to the 172 or the 157? Well, that's the thing, it sort of combines these both into one. What I mean by that is the front compartment, you've got this nice accessory part here, very sleek, minimalistic, you know, fit your wallet, your phone, your keys, all of that good stuff in the front there. That's got that nice metal clasp that all of their others have, which I do like. It's still keeping with that same branding, the same clasp, the same sort of style. Then at the top here, this does obviously have foam and a big air bubble in there, just so it keeps the shape in packaging. So I've left it in there just to keep the shape, because obviously leather over time can change shape depending on if it's going to be packed or not. So take these out, and the big air bubble. You have got a huge compartment, but not only that, you've got another zip at the back here that gives you some extra storage in there. You've got in the front pocket here 2 extra zips as well, so that gives you 2 extra slots. Then in the front part here, you've got some extra pockets for, you know, camera gear, SD cards, even lenses, because they're quite big pockets. But then you do also get them dividers in there for your camera to actually be slotted in there nicely. That's the first side. Oh, that's what I'm saying. That's the first side The second bit is at the back. You unzip these. It's got this nice waterproof zip as well. So, you know, this one's got the lip so the rain's not going to get in. The top one has this rubber lip so that stops the rain from getting in, because you don't want your laptops and stuff getting damaged, because that's what the back compartment is for. Putting your MacBook in the back there, all the way down the back, so it's nice and padded as well, so you're not going to feel it on your back. It's not going to get damaged while walking. So obviously that's where you put your laptop down there, and then in the front you've got this nice open space again, which is big enough for water bottles, drinks, t-shirt. If I went and bought another t-shirt, or even if I had bought a jacket with me and it's too hot, I can throw it in this bag and know that I've got space. That's not all. You do get this nice little side pocket here. So if you want your belongings, say if you're on the escalators in London and you don't want someone just popping that open, grabbing your stuff and doing a runner, you've got this inside pocket for your wallet, your phone, your keys. A bit more secure, it's going to be on your back, so you've got that. When it comes to the actual quality of this bag, I will tell you it is some of the highest quality you will find in a backpack. It looks good, it feels good, it smells good, and it just does a damn good job at looking so clean. So that is now going to be my everyday carry when it comes to events. I've got my sling for everyday sort of activities that aren't going to be sort of demanding on storage or necessarily having to take my camera. And then I've obviously got my camera sling if I do ever go about with just the camera and not really going out and about or events. Or I could even pair them all together and have the backpack on me like this, and then I could even throw on the sling for the camera, so if I've got a massive shoot coming up, camera in the front, all the good stuff in the back. And then hell, I could even go and throw the little one on if I wanted to. I could go all grams. Look at me. People would think, okay, this guy's got money. Well, no. I just want to say, the company sent these out to me. I appreciate Grams, because they've always, like I said, supported me and just wanted me to do better and wear better. Yes, I am. I feel enclosed in a pocket of luxury, okay? So I'm going to leave all of the links in the description so you can go and check them out. I'm going to have more content coming out on this backpack in the near couple of days. Obviously, once I've fully used it, walked around London for about 7 hours with it on my back, I can then give you my full honest opinion of how it felt, how the straps were, the weight of it, and all of that stuff. At the minute, this is just sort of like an overall, this is what I'm going to be using, and if you wanted to check them out yourself, there's links down there, you can go and do so. But I mean, the lineup, the lineup of bag to camera sling to essential, chef's kiss. Like I said, there will be a full review coming soon. This is just a rundown of the new bag. There will be more content. Take this video with a pinch of salt. Right, don't think this is like the review and I've just gone, oh, they sent me it, you know, this is the best bag going. No, I haven't put it through its paces yet, so give it time. Give it time. But I can tell you, after using this for over a year and a half and this one for over a year, they look brand new and they smell just like they did when they came out of the box. And yet I've used these numerous amounts of times going to London and just everyday use. So I can tell you, on experience of them two bags, this one is going to pass the test. The only thing I'm worried about this one is it's losing its shape. That's the only thing that I'm worried about. But we'll get into that later on down the line. Other than that, capture, create, captivate. I'll see you all in the next video. Remember, click all the buttons down below, like, subscribe, notification bar, notification bell, and all the links in the description. Much love.